There is a place on Earth where sunlight never arrives, where pressure stacks like mountains, where movement is slow, deliberate, because every mistake is fatal. Down here, something enormous drifts through the black. Not hunting, not fleeing, but hiding. For centuries, sailors swore they saw it. Science doubted it existed. And even now, with satellites mapping the planet, this creature still chooses darkness, not because it is weak, but because the deep has taught it a terrifying lesson. Imagine sinking beneath the waves. 100 meters? 200. Light thins, colors bleed away, and the ocean turns blue, then black. This is the Twilight Zone, a world of constant pressure and near darkness, where visibility is measured in silhouettes, not shapes. Here, survival depends on not being seen. This is the first reason the giant squid stays hidden. In the deep ocean, visibility equals vulnerability. Unlike predators on land, deep-sea hunters don't chase what they can see. They detect vibrations. Soft tissues absorb pressure instead of resisting it. No air-filled spaces, no weakness to collapse. But its most unsettling adaptation lies in its eyes. Giant squid have the largest eyes on Earth, each as big as a dinner plate. Not for seeing prey, but for detecting predators. These eyes are tuned to spot the faint bioluminescent flashes caused when something massive, like a sperm whale, disturbs glowing plankton in the dark. The squid doesn't look for the whale. It looks for the absence of safety. Scientists still don't know how precise this detection is. Can the squid identify distance, size, intent? Or is it simply reacting to fear patterns written in light? Go deeper still. Food becomes scarce. Movement becomes expensive. In the deep sea, energy is everything. The giant squid cannot afford to fight. It cannot afford to flee often. Every jet of movement burns calories that may never be replaced. So it drifts, still invisible. This is the terrifying reason it stays hidden. The deep punishes attention. Any prolonged activity, hunting, mating, defending territory, broadcasts your presence in a world where echoes travel far. What scientists don't fully understand is how the giant squid balances this energy equation. How often does it feed? How long can it go without food? How close does it come to starvation just to remain unseen? What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. There is something else down here, something larger, stronger, smarter. The sperm whale. Scars on whale skins, circular and white, perfectly match the suckers of giant squid. They are evidence of battles fought in total darkness. But here's the unsettling truth. The giant squid doesn't usually win. It isn't an apex predator. It is prey. This changes everything. The squid doesn't hide because it is monstrous. It hides because it is hunted by one of the most powerful predators on Earth. And scientists still don't know how often these encounters happen. Are they rare collisions or a constant, silent war being fought in the dark? At depths beyond 1,000 meters, cameras fail. Robots struggle, and the squid vanishes completely. Not because it's elusive by accident, but because hiding is the only strategy the deep allows. The giant squid reminds us of something unsettling. The most alien life on Earth is not on distant planets. It's beneath our ships, still watching, still hiding, and still proving that even now, our world is far from fully known. Thanks for watching!